13, and I will go back to chapter 12. Chapter 13, it's about loft feature. Okay, loft feature. So what loft feature? Loft is a feature that can be used to create complex geometry. Okay, that enable blend multiple profiles. Okay, so what's the learning objective? Create rail loft feature using appropriate profile and rail. Create center line loft using appropriate profile and center line. Control the shape and weight flow of the loft. Control how loft geometry transition between sections. Okay, if you notice here, the first one, you will find the loft is, you have as an example face, and you have profile 1, 2. You can connect between face, profile 1, profile 2, and you get this shape. This is the loft. If you go down here, you have profile 1, 2, 3. And you have rails from the side, 1, 2, 3, 4. You can ask the software to use the profiles and the rail to get the 3D shape. Okay, look at here. You have sketch, 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 sketch. You have center line. Use these profiles and use the center line. You can create shape. This is all about loft. Okay, so let's try to learn now how to do the loft. When we're dealing with extrude, you notice that you have only one sketch. So one sketch, you give it a thickness or give it a height. But with loft, it's different. In loft, you have to start to do sketch, choose this work plane. Draw as an example your rectangle. Finish the rectangle. Go to same work plane and go to here, work planes, and create offset from this work plane. You have to create another plane that's parallel to this plane, like this here. And click yes. Now, new work plane, create a new sketch. You can draw like this. Finish. Again, work planes, offset, choose this one, move up. Okay, start with the sketch here. Create rectangle. Now, how many sketches we have? 1, 2, 3. Now we tell the software, go to loft, click here, 1, 2, 3. That's it. Now we created a new shape that's impossible to create using extrude or revolve or anything. Especially that I want to tell you that loft does not require you all the time to use shapes that are similar. As an example, I can be here using circle instead of square. Loft, this one, this one, and this one. Okay, so Loft is a very powerful tool to create 3D model. As an example, you can create vase and shell, put here a thickness. You will end up having something like this. Okay. Okay. So this one, if I edit the feature, I will find here I have sketch, sketch, sketch. Okay. And I didn't use rails. See here, area loft, here center line. I didn't use here anything. I only use sketch, sketch, sketch. And here I use solid. I can click here and I can create surface if I want. Okay, cancel. I will delete the solid. I will show you if I create loft between only two, between this one and this one. I ignore this one. What's the shape that I will get? Transition between this to this, okay, which is just simple shape. Okay, here in the book that they are telling you, you can add rails and then you can change the shape. Okay, how to add rail? You have to go to work plane that's perpendicular to the existing work plane and create first sketch. Of course, if you want to create sketch, you have to use all the time project geometry. Click on this point, you will have a yellow point here, and click in this point, you will have yellow point here. Now create arc, let's say like this, and finish. So now you have sketch 1. I don't want the circle, I will delete. Sketch 1, sketch 2, rail 1. Can I have rail 2? Yes, but a new work plane. Go to work plane, start 2D sketch. Go here to curve, project geometry. Go here to spline, do like this. Finish. Loft between this one and this one. Go to rail, click to add this one. Click to add this one. If you want to. If you don't want this one, خلاص, click on this one again. If you don't want it, like this, يعني loft between this one and this one, and you can add one rail only like this, and the shape will be like this. Okay, يعني you create shape between this profile and this profile, and you control how it look like from the side. If you want to add edit feature, this one delete, you can create this one instead. Or edit feature, of them, and this. You have to go to so now you have from this area it will be look like this, and from area this look like this. So now we created loft feature that combine both rails and profiles. Okay, I will delete this one and I will keep the shapes. Let's delete the rail, the first rail, and delete the second rail. Okay, now I am here again. I want to create loft one more time between this one and this one. Okay, the shape I get straight like this. Go to loft again, edit feature, go to condition, choose transition direction, and add weight 2, 3, 2.5. You will have something like this. Can you see here? Curve. Or edit feature, condition, add here 2, 5, 4, 3. Make this one 0. Make this one 1. So you'll have like this. So you can control the transition. Okay. Also, you can create. Let's say this is a sketch, and let's say you have work plane. You have work axis from here to here, and you have work plane parallel to this work axis. 45 degree, and it's available here in this area, and you have sketch here. See, let's say you have this one, and you have here circle. Okay, you have these two sketches. If you click on loft and ask the software to join between here and here. This is the result that you will get. Okay, but if you create another sketch in the perpendicular work plane like this, and you go here and create arc, project geometry, this point and this point, and you create arc from here to here. Okay, and then you can create loft again between this shape and this shape. Instead of having this result, you can choose here center line and click here on the center line, so you will get better profile. So this is all about loft. I will delete it. I will delete everything.